You want me to help? Oh. Oh. So cute. Did you start a howl with your puppies? Did you start a howl, little wolf? Oh.
Because we're all wolves.
That's right. You're all wolves.
So these are my wolf families. This baby and they grew up. So now that's what they are.
Oh, all right. And you were a baby and you just grew up too, huh?
Yeah, they used to be babies and now one's white and one's black and white.
One's white, one's black and white. What are their names?
Tonka and Howl.
Oh, who's who? Show us who's who. Who's that one?
Tonka.
Tonka? And who's that one? Monroe? Oh, they're beautiful. What's your name?
Korea.
Oh my goodness. You have a beautiful wolf pack.
And sometimes me and my dog's family look too big and then hide our food up because we just want to let some other animals eat it because we both want to be nice.
Well, that's very nice of you.
So we hide our food.
You hide your food so other animals can eat it?
Yeah.
That's very nice.
And sometimes we pick out the leaves and put it, we put it like here, because, we want to be silly,
Oh,
but it can't fit in inside.
can't fit in there?
So, when the animals try to put it in there, when it doesn't fit, we just put it on the ground.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and this is what Tonka and Rainbow draws with me.
They draw this with you? Oh, wow. That's
Yeah,
so cool.
We draw that for you.
Oh, thank you.
And we also have nice family.
Yeah.
We live outside.
You live outside?
Me and my animals, Tonka and Rainbow.
Yeah.
And we live outside because that's where wolves live.
Oh, wolves live outside? Okay, that makes sense.
And sometimes we have two other animals.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow.
I don't know what when wolf sees right now. See this two that like that.
Yeah.
Rainbow.
She sees this wolf.
Well, I don't want to be a wolf family. Goodness.
She sees her wolf. She says, "You're my wolf, Kalia."
Oh.
She says, "That's my wolf, Kalia."
Wolf family.
That's right, the wolf family. The wolf family. Oh my goodness. Let's go get your girl. Come on.
When I'm on this swing, when Wolf pushes me on this,
She does?
she pushes me with her nose.
Wow. You push her with your nose? You were so sweet, Monroe.
I don't need
Oh my goodness.
it.
You're so sweet.
Yeah.
Oh, she said, oh, that feels good, Mom.
Yeah. So we live outside.
So you live outside. This wolf family lives outside. What a cool wolf family.
So we have the birds to be nice. How the birds to be nice too.
Oh, you do? You howl at the birds to be nice too? That is so
Yeah,
nice.
I
I bet they love it.
Yeah.
They live in that birdhouse?
Yeah, you can live in our family,
Okay.
but you can be a wolf.
I can be a wolf.
Yeah, but You're already a wolf.
I'm already a wolf.
Yeah, so you're already a wolf. You're gonna put this in your hair.
Thank you.
That's a magic flower, and until you put it in your hair, it'll turn you to a real wolf.
Okay.
And now you're a wolf.
Oh.
See? But you can talk a wolf.
I'm a real wolf that can talk.
Yeah, cause that flower is magic.
Thank you for this magical flower. I feel like a wolf now.
Yeah.
I think I want to go pee on something. Wolves never pee. Are you sure? Why do I feel like I need to pee on something? Do you smell that?
No.
I do.
What is that?
Oh.
What happened to you?
This flower. The magical flower. I'm turning into a wolf.
But you can't talk wolf.
But I feel weird.
Then take the flower out your hair.
I can't get it. Can you help me?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
But you can just be a normal wolf like that.
Okay, I'm. That was crazy. Did I look crazy?
You were howling like a boy wolf.
Oh my goodness, I don't know what happened to me. It must be because it's so early in the morning.
Yes, maybe we should just, you should be a wolf like that.
Okay, I'm gonna just be the wolf like this.
Yeah,
That works for me. I'm the wolf with flamingos.
Yeah, but.
And you're the wolf with the hearts.
The flower only lets wolves use it in their hair because only wolves can use it.
Oh, okay. I can you maybe if you give me another flower, it'll work better. You want to try that?
Yeah, some other flowers are not like them all. So this is the one that was not good. So maybe these ones.
Okay, maybe those ones are. That's a good idea.
That was the one who was not good.
Okay.
I try it.
You put it in my hair.
I'm gonna try it. Oh!
Oh, what happened?
That was something on paper.
No.
Are you normal now? Oh, where's your flower?
Oh, it fell out. And my $100 stylus pen that is on the ground. Hi. Okay, let's try again.
Okay. Okay, maybe you can do it.
Okay, maybe I can
that's a lot because it's...
Oh.
What the heck is what's wrong with that flower? That flower's kind of rippable because it's magic.
This flower is quickly losing its petals.
That's because...
Okay, there we go. Oh! 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 Huh! I feel... Oh!
Talking wolf!
That's a better one. I like to talk bilingually. I like to talk regular English and I like to talk wolf. Oh! Yeah, that's a lot better.
But you see, I'm a real wolf. My ears.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a real wolf.
A real wolf with your tail? Yes. That is so cute. You're the cutest wolf.
And me on my tail is a wolf. Sometimes I get up here with my little wolf.
Okay.
I howl.
Oh.
Sometimes we already howled, so they're tired of howling.
They're tired of howling? Okay.
But I live close to you. I live right there with my family. And I live close to you.
That's so cool. Can I live with you now that I'm a wolf?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, but you...
Where am I going to sleep?
You're going to sleep right here.
Right there? Okay.
Then I'm going to sleep right here. Then in one Tonka, I put dog beds right there for them to sleep.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but you can I'll sleep there and you can sit next to me.
Okay. Then we can keep each other warm.
Yeah. And then Tonka can lay there, then Rainbow can lay on the side of Tonka.
That sounds perfect.
Yeah, but it's not nice yet. We howl at nighttime too.
We howl at nighttime too?
Yep.
That's awesome. Okay, I think we need to go get some breakfast.
Yeah, but I usually like some. Well, I would eat some steak because wolves know they meat.
That's right.
Yeah, so I probably eat a steak.
Probably it's a mistake.
I just
Okay.
wait till I feel good.
I'm gonna go make her some steak. She's gonna wait for me right here.
Yeah, I can't live inside your home because I already have a house behind you.
Oh, you already have a house behind me?
Yeah, so I need to live out here.
Okay.
Okay, fine, I can live in there.
Oh, thank you. I don't want you to live out here without me.
Okay, so let's go.
Okay, let's go inside.